video. Hi, this is Petroglyph National Monument Park Place. I found a neat rock. It's neat. You thought that other rock was neat? Oh, look at that rock. That rock's really neat. Ooh, that one too. Get a close up on that one. Zoom, zoom, zoom. These rocks are really neat. Real neat. These are all carved. 13 AD?
Yeah,
except for that other one. Around 13. Oh, there's more over there.
Oh wow, we would have missed those.
Yeah. Sure are neat. So, made it to the Grand Canyon. It's kind of underwhelming. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Thought it'd be bigger. Maybe deeper. Huh. Well, made it to the bottom of the Grand Canyon. As I've found out, nature's kinda neat. Look at that neat bush. So neat. We're in Albuquerque. This is day number 2. I think I counted that right. We just saw some rocks. They were cool. In fact, they were neat. Going to get some lunch. It's whatever time, it's about 1-ish. About lunchtime. And I just saw a pigeon. Out here in nature, it's good to remember to watch out for snooty snoots. We respect them from a distance, because they'll bite you, and you'll die.